to an event here in Portland, Oregon at the Hilton. So it is. I think I found the entrance finally. It's the Hilton in Portland. The instructions are to go down 2 flights to the basement. Here we go. These people seem like really good people, and they're gonna have a lot of fun tonight. So, coming out of the plague, everybody's got to get out and do their thing. I hope they like my jacket. I like it.
Let's go get you a drink.
No, I don't have a charger in my car. You know why? Because I'm an idiot and I lost my phone and I couldn't find it. Would you like to say more on that subject, ma'am?
No, absolutely not.
She had a lot to say earlier, trust me.
One audience row is an scholarship.